Mr. Tamisin, kung ikaw ang in-implicate, ikaw ang kinasuhan, what could have been the motive? Ano ba yung motibo? Bakit ikaw? Ba't hindi ibang fall guy, quote unquote, no? Bakit ikaw?
Hindi ko rin po alam, Your Honor eh. Kasi wala naman kaming personal na away ni Mayor. Never naman kami nag-away. Totoo po, may differences lang po pagdating sa mga implementation ng policies. Pero sabi ko nga po kanina, Your Honor, ako may pinakamaraming batas na in-approve niya. At napaganda pa, dahil nagkaroon ng breastfeeding and children's corner sa munisipyo, nagkaroon pa kami ng award sa DILG because of that ordinance. Ibig ko pong sabihin, hindi ko po talaga alam kung bakit, sabi ko nga po ulit, Your Honor, wala na silang choice kasi ako lang ho yung mahina. Ako lang ho yung mahirap. Pero hindi nila alam, ilalabang ko to hanggang buhay ako. Bakit po? Kasi yung ibang pwede pagbintangan, hindi nila kaya.
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Okay. Nakalagay ba sa investigation report nyo kung ano ang motibo ng pagpatay kay Mayor Cesar Perez? Sino nag-conduct na investigation sa inyo? Hindi ba ikaw, Colonel Petalio, ang Chief of Police during the time?
Your Honor, si Colonel Gardoque po, sir. Nag-share lang po, sir.
You're not familiar with the investigation report ng PNP tungkol dun sa task, di ba? Nag-create
Yes, sir.
kayo
Yes,
ng
sir.
task force, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung nakalagay dun sa report? Ano yung motibo nung pagpatay kay Mayor Cesar Perez?
May kasama po doon, Your Honor, politics, Your Honor.
Politika.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun ang
Kasama po
na-establish
yun.
ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pwede bang malaman kung ano yung mga circumstansya na kung bakit nakapag-establish kayo na ang motibo ay politika?
Sir, ano ba kay Colonel Gardoque?
So si Colonel Garduque was already
That's Chief of Police, sir, Your Honor.
the Chief of Police at the time. And I suppose he is familiar with the investigation report, no? Kayo ang gumawa, Page, can you let him sit down? Excuse me. Oh, gusto mo magtestigo? Okay. Oh. Baka lang gusto mo magtestigo. Oh. Colonel, so anong nakalagay na motibo sa inyong investigation report sa pagpatay kay Mayor Cesar Perez? Ikaw ang Chief of Police, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor,
So
sir.
hindi mo alam. Are you part of the task force Halili? Task force Perez?
Yes, I am part of
What was the result of your investigation as far as the motive of the killing is concerned? Ano?
It was, we found out, sir, that it was partly a politically motivated...
Partly?
Yes, sir.
Can you qualify bakit partly? Anong sirkumstansya na nagbigay sa inyo ng idea na ang motibo ng pagpatay ni Mr. Tamisin ay politika? Anong instances? Anong sirkumstansya? Ikaw nang imbestiga, di ba?
Yes, sir. Based on dun sa mga statements and evidences na nag-gather namin, it all point out that there was a yung previous kasi na alitan nila as tumakbo kasi si Sir Tamisin dati ng mayor. Hindi naman actually yon. Part lang, sir, na nakikita namin dahil magkalaban nga sila sa noon.
Did you know na inaanak siya ni Mayor Cesar Perez?
No, sir.
So wala kang idea.
Wala.
Kasi nakakapagtaka lang, Colonel, na ang suspect, no, a known politician in Calamba, Los Baños. Number 2, inaanak ng mayor na napaslang. Pangatlo, siya ay known to be in the community in Los Baños, not to be a violent person. Wala hong history ng violence sa kanya record. And yet, siya ang nakita ninyong suspect. Nakakapagtaka, no? Hindi ko alam paano nyo inimbestigahan. Ano ang nagturo sa inyo na siya ang pumatay, malaking question mark pa rin yan, no? Sa, at least sa akin, I don't know with my colleagues. Kasi yun ang aking pagkakaintindi dito sa kwentong ito. Now, did you know that Mayor Cesar Perez was in the drug list?
I have not seen the list, sir, but we have heard. That
So you have heard.
Yes, sir.
But bilang chief of police sa lugar, wala ka bang access sa drug list?
Wala, sir, wala.
Wala kang record sa area mo kung sino doon ang na-identify ng BADAC, MADAC, or whatever it is that identified the personalities within your jurisdiction to be involved in illegal drugs?
What we have, sir, is the list from the BADAC, but as far as the BADAC is concerned, wala naman doon sa...
So hindi kasama sa drug list ang dating mayor, ang the late mayor.
Doon sa Los Baños, sir, I have not seen his name as part of the drug personalities within the Los Baños area.
Okay, so i-confirm ko lang ulit dito kay DG Morolazo. DG, sabi nyo kanina nasa listahan ng drug list si Mayor Cesar Perez. Is that correct?
Your Honor, yes, Your Honor, in the Duterte list.
So when the Duterte list, is this list provided to the chief of police of the different cities, municipalities in the country? Meron ho ba silang idea kung sino sa area nila ang involved sa droga?
Your Honor, I would assume so because my Deputy Director General for Operations now used to be a regional director.
Okay.
And he has a copy of the drug list nationwide. And I think this was given to them so that this can be distributed to the stations under their jurisdictions, so that they will have people to follow or watch, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. So nakapagtaka, Colonel Garduque, no, na wala kang idea, wala kang listahan, hindi mo nakita yung listahan na sa certain Cesar Perez that you know is the mayor of Calamba ay nasa listahan, Los Baños, ay nasa listahan ng drug list.
Yes, sir. Actually, maybe previously, sir, but on my time, I honestly, I have not seen his name doon sa...
Anong year ka na-appoint dyan sa Los Baños?
2020, sir, up to 2021 ng
And
March or February.
the incident happened... So hindi ba SOP yan, Colonel Patay, na kapag ikaw ay na-assign sa isang bilang isang city director sa isang city, hindi ba dapat meron ka kagad listahan kung sino-sino ang mga nasa drug list within the jurisdiction of the command?
Mr. Chair, during my time, we only base on the list in the station and those list from the BADACs, from the barangays, Mr. Chair.
So there are two lists, the one from the BADACs and...
Yeah, that's the same, Mr. Chair. That's consolidated.
So the BADACs
Yes.
list is the one provided to the city directors?
I'm not aware of for the city director because I was not assigned as city director, Mr. Chair. Only in station, Mr. Chair.
Weren't you assigned in Quezon City as the city director?
Station commander lang, Mr.
Station
Chair.
commander. Doon sa station mo, hindi ka binigyan ng listahan.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
So, tama ba yung sinasabi ni Colonel Garduque na hindi lahat, gagaya mo, hindi mo nakita yung listahan kung sino ang nasa drug list?
Ako hindi ko nakita, Mr. Chair. I cannot speak in behalf of others, Mr. Chair.
Well, base sa PIDEA, bilang isang pulisiya dito sa sinasabing drug list, lahat po ng ating membro ng PNP, lalo na yung mga commanders, whether district commander yan or district director yan, inform sila kung sino-sino yung mga involved sa droga sa area nila, unless merong special crack team na ang trabaho lang, sila ang magtrabaho nung nasa drug list ng mga pangalan. So, it's really confusing to hear from you na mismo kayo alam nyo because sa area nyo ang daming namatay For instance, kay Colonel Patay, ang daming namatay sa area mo. Would you be honest enough to tell me kung how many deaths under investigation that happened in your station?
Mr. Chair, I cannot give the exact numbers. As I've said, Mr. Chair, the PNP has already give the numbers, Mr. Chair, and I was not able to look at it or to verify the numbers, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige.
May kulanong salita na ang ibig sabihin dito ay ang pagkakaisa.
Bunyog Party List.
Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na.
Sa susunod, ang atinang suportahan, Bunyog Party List, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, lumalaban para sa bayan.